Robinhood versus Coinbase, which is better? If you're thinking about jumping into the world of crypto or investing, you've probably heard of two giants, Robinhood and Coinbase. But which one should you actually use? Let's break it down and see which is better, depending on what you need. Let's start with Robinhood. Robinhood started as a stock trading app, but later jumped into the crypto game. Its biggest appeal, zero commission trading. That means you can buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major cryptos without paying any fees. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the catch. Robinhood doesn't give you full control over your crypto. You can't send your coins to a wallet outside Robinhood unless you go through their specific wallet feature, which isn't as seamless as Coinbase. For beginners, it's simple and easy, but for serious crypto users, it might feel too limited. Now, let's talk about Coinbase. Coinbase was built specifically for crypto. It's been around since 2012 and is one of the most trusted names in the crypto world. You can buy, sell, store, and send crypto with full control. That means you actually own your coins and can move them wherever you like. Sounds great? It is. But there's a downside. Fees. Coinbase can be more expensive. Their standard platform charges fees that can add up, especially if you're buying small amounts. They do offer Coinbase advanced trade with lower fees, but the interface is more complex. So how do they compare? User experience. Robinhood is slick, minimal, and beginner friendly. Coinbase is also user-friendly, but with a steeper learning curve if you dive into the advanced features, crypto variety. Coinbase wins here. It offers hundreds of cryptocurrencies. Robinhood, just a handful of the biggest names like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and a few more. Security. Both are secure and regulated, but Coinbase has more experience handling crypto storage. Plus, they offer more advanced security options like vaults and insurance for digital assets. Control and transfers. Coinbase gives you full ownership. You can send and receive crypto to any wallet. Robinhood, you're limited unless you use their wallet app, and even then, not all coins are supported. What about stocks and ETFs? Here's where Robinhood pulls ahead. If you want to mix crypto with stocks, ETFs, and options in one place, Robinhood makes it easy. But Coinbase, it's crypto only. So, which one is better? If you're new to investing and just want a simple clean app to dip your toes into crypto and stocks, Robinhood is probably for you. But if you're serious about crypto, want to own your coins, explore new tokens, and take full control, then Coinbase is the clear winner. At the end of the day, it's not about which app is better overall, but which one fits your goals best. Have you tried either one or maybe both? Drop your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear what's worked for you. And hey, if you found this breakdown helpful, give it a like, it helps more than you think.